Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Lexus RX 350. First, gather all your necessary tools and materials. You will need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Also, make sure you have the correct new engine oil, a fresh oil filter, and a new drain plug gasket. Using the right oil type and viscosity, typically 0W20 or 5W30, is crucial for optimal engine performance and longevity. Now, let's get to draining the old oil. Begin by safely lifting your Lexus RX 350 and securing it on jack stands for stability. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a bolt on the lowest part of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old, dirty engine oil to flow completely into the pan. This step is essential for a thorough oil change. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Expect a small amount of oil to drip out. Prepare your new oil filter by lightly oiling its rubber gasket for a proper seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, replace the drain plug with a fresh gasket and tighten it securely, typically to 25 foot-pounds. Now for the final steps. Carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the oil fill port, usually about 6½ quarts for the Lexus RX 350. Replace the oil cap. Start your engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off and wait a few minutes. Check for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Finally, use the dipstick to confirm the oil level is at the full mark, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.